Costa, BBC South Today.
Some really good work going on there. Right, let's get a look at the weather forecast. Here's Alexis. What's it going to be like for the weekend?
Tom, it's going to be mild and quite cloudy, although today we saw a lot more sunshine than originally forecast. The blue skies today captured by Paul in Yarmouth, and Leslie was on a stroll down to Bat's Head in Dorset. Lovely sunny conditions there. So we are expecting some brightness this weekend, but there will be a good deal of cloud really right across the board, very like today. So the cloud will start to thin and break in places as we head through the day tomorrow. Staying mainly dry, but the odd spot of drizzle is a possibility, and the winds will be fairly brisk from the west. Now overnight tonight we're looking at one or two clear spells, large areas of cloud moving in from the west during the early hours of the morning, and it's a very mild night. Patchy drizzle is a possibility where the cloud is quite thick for western areas. Lows tonight of 9 to 10 Celsius. So tomorrow large areas of cloud can be expected, but there will be a little bit of brightness breaking through, very like today. That breeze should hopefully break the cloud up, particularly for areas east of higher ground. And where we do see the sunshine, temperatures will soar to a high of 13, maybe 14 degrees. Maybe some patchy drizzle first thing tomorrow morning, drifting in from the west as we head through the course of the day. Now for the coastal forecast, tomorrow from Selseyville to Lyme Regis, the winds are westerly or northwesterly 3 to 5, becoming variable 3 or less, then southwesterly 2 to 4 later, and the sea state is slight or moderate. So tomorrow night, once again, patchy drizzle is a possibility. There'll be large areas of cloud, still that continuing breeze during the early hours of Sunday morning. That breeze tomorrow and also Sunday could gust maybe up to 30 miles per hour during daylight hours. But tomorrow night, we'll have a lot of mild conditions, lows of around 9 to 10 Celsius. So it's a mild start to Sunday, and Sunday really is a repeat performance of Saturday. Lots of cloud, that mild air coming in from the west during the course of the day from the Atlantic. And there will be maybe some spots of drizzle, particularly for western parts. The cloud will thin and break to allow for some bright and sunny spells during the day. But there is some good news. As we look ahead towards the end of the month, we gain in Southampton nearly 1.5 hours of daylight, but in Banbury they gain 2 hours, and that's starting from today up until the 29th of February. So here's the outlook for the weekend. Lots of cloud, mainly dry conditions. Spots of drizzle can't be ruled out. 1 or 2 brighter spells, some sunny spells as we head through Monday. Fairly mild, really, right the way until next week. And midweek, it turns unsettled. Tom.
Oh, it does feel like we've turned the corner a little bit, though,
yes,
doesn't it?
It does, yes.
Thank you. That's it from us. Thanks for being there. David's here with the late news at 10:30. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.